Today I'm going to show you how to clean condensing coils on an air conditioning unit. This is part of preventative maintenance. I've already shown you before how to clean the indoor evaporator coils. Let's dive right into the condensing coils cleaning. As far as coil cleaner goes, I like to use a product called D Universal Coil Cleaner. Got a Goodman condenser right here. As you can see, it's very caked up. First thing we're gonna do is remove the power from the unit, the 240 volt. Next, we are gonna remove the fan cover. Our wires are very tight, so that's about as good as I'm gonna do it. Next step we're gonna do is pre-treat the inside and outside of the condenser coils. All the instructions of your coil cleaner on how long to let it sit and all that. And then you're gonna wanna rinse the condensing unit coils from the inside out. Be sure to try and stay away from compressor plugs and any wires. Don't spray those directly. Start from the top and spray down. From the inside out, I will then, after I've sprayed from the inside out, I will then go to the outside to get all this stuff down. We're gonna wanna start from the top, and you go in an up and down motion. When washing condenser coils, you want to use a low pressure spray nozzle from a garden hose. Avoid using pressure washers or anything with high pressure, as this can bend and damage the condensing coil fins. Keep cleaning the condenser coils until the water comes out clear, or until you're just completely satisfied that the coils are clean. Reinstall the condensing fan cover, button everything up. That's the correct way to clean condensing coils on an air conditioning unit. But what if you've got several units? What if you're an apartment maintenance technician and you don't even have time to do PMs, let alone rip apart every single condensing unit to clean them? Hate to say it, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do to get the job done. Best time to clean condensing units is right before the cooling season. If you live in a hot environment, you may want to do it twice a year. If you live in a very humid environment, especially near salt water like, say, Florida, you want to definitely clean the coils twice a year. Hope this helps some of you apartment maintenance technicians and maybe even homeowners. If so, hit that like button. Until the next one, I'm Dave Spates. Hope to see you there.